kids, welcome back. Today let's draw a coconut tree. Start by drawing two curvy lines next to each other for the trunk. Inside, add more wavy lines to make it look tree-like. Now, draw circles for the coconuts. Add some 4 long wavy lines. To it, draw zigzags coming out of them. Color the wavy lines dark green. And use black to add more wavy lines near the zigzags to finish the leaves. Fill those leaves with light green. Color the coconuts and trunk in a nice brown color. And there you go, your adorable coconut tree is all done. Yay, awesome job!